Hi, I'm Scott from Osprey Packs, and today we're talking about the iconic Talon and Tempest series. These streamlined, multi-sport quiver killers feature great ventilation, incredibly comfortable carry, and a load stabilizing suspension system that's perfect for everything from biking to day hiking and even lightweight backpacking. The Talon series comes in a 44, 33, 22, 11, and this little guy? Don't worry about this little guy, we'll get to the 6-liter version later. The Tempest series comes in a 40, 30, 20, 9, and of course a 6-liter version as well. Some of the shared features on these packs include stow-on-the-go trekking pole attachment, lower inside-out compression straps, side stretch mesh pockets, an external hydration sleeve, stretch mesh harness slash pocket, and 2 zippered hip belt pockets. On the Talon 44 and Tempest 40, you'll also find top loader access to the main compartment, a floating removable top lid with zippered slash pocket, an under top lid zippered mesh pocket, a large stretch mesh front panel pocket, dual ice tool loops with bungee tie-offs, zippered sleeping bag access, and removable sleeping pad straps. The Talon 33 and Tempest 30 include top loader access to the main compartment, a fixed top lid with zippered slash pocket, an under top lid zippered mesh pocket, a large stretch mesh front panel pocket, and dual ice tool loops with bungee tie-offs. The much loved Talon 22 and Tempest 20 also feature dual zippered panel access to the main compartment, a large stretch mesh front panel pocket, ice tool loop with bungee tie-off, a top panel zippered slash pocket, and lid lock helmet attachment. And their smaller siblings, the Talon 11 and Tempest 9, also feature dual zippered panel access to the main compartment, a top panel zippered slash pocket, lid lock helmet attachment, and an adjustable front panel bungee. And now, for the moment all you minimalists have been waiting for, the Talon and Tempest 6. These incredibly svelte lumbar packs feature dual zippered panel access to the main compartment, a front panel zippered slash pocket, padded bottle sleeves with bungee retention straps, horizontal straitjacket compression straps for when you're not filling this bad boy out, and 2 570 milliliter BPA-free pack bottles that'll take you way further than you ever thought. The Talon Tempest series are the perfect lightweight packs for dynamic outdoor activities.
The Trail Series packs are optimized for running out of the office to run up Grandeur Peak, which is in our backyard, or you're doing a speed ascent on the Grand Teton. We offer models from an 11-liter super lightweight summit pack to a fully featured 26-liter day hiking pack. Nitro 22 and 26 are our flagship packs in our Trail Series. They both feature reactive suspensions for a really comfortable carry, and open-air back panels for breathability during high-output activities. Our most fully featured Trail Series packs, they've got hydration compatibility and T-pull and ice axe loops. The Bolt 24 is really similar to the Nitros. The big difference is the Bolt's a top loader, which if you're a climber, it's really easy to stash your cord right underneath the lid. The smallest, lightest, and most stripped-down packs in our range are the Magnums and the BB. They're super lightweight, no frills, summit to ultra-fast hiking packs. The Trail Series packs are really the do-it-all packs in the BD line. They're the kind of packs that you just find yourself using in your everyday daily life, as well as probably the best adventure you've ever had. Yeah, they're the perfect pack to always have with you.
artillery or will you use mine?
Every adventure deserves a good backpack. No matter if it's for a Sunday stroll or the trek of your dreams, you should make sure you choose the right one. Here's our advice on finding the right hiking backpack. A few hours, a weekend, a week. To choose the right backpack, the length and destination of your hike, and of course the weather are the three first things to consider.
For a day hike, a bag between 10 and 25 liters should be really plenty. In there, you should be able to fit enough water for the day, maybe a small picnic, jacket, and sunscreen to be ready for all weather conditions. Interesting features to have on there are going to be an attachment loop for your hiking poles, a sleeve for your water bladder, a key clip, because losing your keys in the forest is really not fun, a belt over the hip to carry the load of the bag, and an adjustable chest strap. For more than a day hike, you're gonna wanna think bigger. So you wanna go for a bag that's gonna be between 20 and 35 liters in volume. It's gonna need all the lovely features that I've been talking about, of course, but also a couple other ones, like maybe attachment points for your helmet, load lifter straps for extra comfort, adjustable suspension to fit your torso, and maybe a couple different adjustment points, especially if you're a woman, because we have a different build. And don't forget that if you go camping, you're gonna need to bring more gear than if you just go to sleep in a hut. And for a hike or an adventure that's gonna last over 3 days, I strongly recommend grabbing a bag that's gonna be a minimum of 35 liters, even if you go to stay in an accommodation. On top of all the features we discussed about, it's not uncommon to find these bags divided into different parts and to have different access points for these compartments. Plus, sometimes there's even like a waterproof pocket inside of the bag, which is a pretty nice add-on. And don't forget, the longer you go for a hike, the more likely it is that you will find the unpredictable. So be prepared. 2 last advice for you. First, the most expensive and most technical backpack might not be the right choice for you. You should choose your backpack depending on your project and also depending on your budget. And then last thing, really take the time to clean and maintain your bag if you want to keep it for as long as possible, and so that it can follow you on all your adventures to come. Last thing, if you have a dog, bring her on. Here we go.
Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the next episode. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.